Hey friends, if full screen games are minimizing to desktop randomly on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So the first one is to perform a malware scan before anything else because malwares do cause this problem. So search for Windows Security in the Windows search bar and open Windows Security. Go to the Virus and Threat Protection tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Scan options. Select Full Scan. Click on Scan now. The next solution is to disable notifications. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Notifications from the right pane and then turn the switch off for notifications. Because whenever notifications pop up, it may disable the full screen mode. Then disable the game mode because it can interfere. Right click on the Start button and select Settings. Go to Gaming on the list on the left hand side. Select Game Mode and turn the switch off. Lastly, update the graphics card drivers. Search for Device Manager in the Windows search bar and open the Device Manager. Expand the list for display adapters. Right click on the first display adapter and select Update Driver. Second one, Update Driver. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.